Hi everyone. So the past few days I was down with cold and fever and was very picky about food. And one of the days my husband, he surprised me with this amazingly delicious crunchy sandwich and I've been addicted ever since. So I couldn't wait to share this recipe with you. To make this, you need 2 loaves of bread of choice. I prefer sourdough bread. Some chunky chaat masala, of course, this is optional. Finely chopped onion. This is cheese, which is mozzarella that I'm using, thin slices. You could use cheese of your choice. Finely sliced cherry tomatoes or regular tomatoes if you don't have cherry tomatoes. Some clarified butter. And to add the crunch, this is the peanuts, which is finely chopped. Let's start by adding the cheese and evenly distributing it across the slice of bread. Next, evenly spread the onion across. Now we shall add the cherry tomatoes. Sprinkle some peanuts over this. Lastly, add some chaat masala and some salt to taste. I'm skipping the salt because my peanuts are salted. Now spread the ghee over it. You can use butter, but I prefer ghee because it gives it a nice flavor. Even olive oil is fine if you don't have either. Carefully flip it and add it on the other side too. And now we are ready to heat this on a pan. Preheat your tawa to a good high temperature, and when it's all heated, we'll place the sandwich on it. Cook on medium flame on both sides for about 5 minutes. Cook this on a very low flame so you can see that the cheese on the side has started to melt. And turn off the flame after 5 minutes and let it sit there for 2 to 3 minutes before you serve it.